We're here this morning for our Doing Business in China workshop. This is the next in an international series with our international champions in our Goodbody, Thornton and Queens. And this workshop aims to give our companies access to knowledge, information, experts and of course peer learning and connections, all to help their international strategy into China.
So the event today was all about doing business in China, essentially taking some of the learning that various different experts or people who are very familiar with China and have spent time there and sort of engaging with the business community here to basically help them on their journey as they progress and build their relationships with China.
We bring our expertise and experience of working with clients and sort of moving into China, starting up new businesses in China, exploring opportunities in China. So working very closely with our colleagues in the UK and indeed in Dublin and our China groups, it's looking at some of the things to be aware of, do's and don'ts.
We see China as a key growth market for our clients. So the purpose of today is to really share our experiences and knowledge that we've built up and help businesses here to expand to China who are thinking of doing business there, sort of help them with sort of tips on how to do that, points to think about, and really just help them sort of expand their current business in that new market.
There's lots of very good information from today's event. From my own perspective, I was trying to get across the importance of networking, the importance of face-to-face communication, the importance of understanding culture, about building those relationships and really engaging with them on the ground in those long-term relationships in order to build value for businesses here and there.